statement perhaps from the family.
We have very limited information on what happened. Other than the fact when we went to the hospital, we found he had bled a lot. The neighbors had taken him to hospital. And after that, Kilimani police station came in. They've been conducting the inquiries. They secured the scene. They still have, I believe, the keys to the apartment and whatever. So we have very limited knowledge of what's happened so far. It will be in the industry as well, and the rally fraternity. It's going to be a big loss, of course, and for the family more so, yeah, as well. Yeah, I think it's always very sad to lose somebody, and we just pray that the truth comes out. We're not pointing fingers at anybody at this stage, and we just pray that the truth comes out. Whatever really happened to him, we are waiting to see what the police investigations and the pathologists will come up with. And we'll let the law take its course after that.